In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to resend an invite to Xero Me. If an employee can't see their payslips in the Xero Me app, or they never received the original invitation, resending the invite only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it from inside Xero Payroll, and I'll point out a few helpful checks so the invite reaches the right person the first time. Start on your Xero dashboard within the correct organization and open the payroll area from the main menu. This takes you into the payroll workspace where you manage staff and their access. If you don't see payroll, you may need the appropriate payroll permissions from your organization's subscriber or administrator. Next, head into employees. This page lists everyone set up in payroll. If you have a long list, it can help to quickly scan by employee name or status so you're working with the right profile. The invite you send will use the email stored on the employee's record, so it's important that this address is current and that the employee can access it. On the employee's list, select the checkbox next to the person you want to invite or re-invite to Xero Me. Be deliberate here. Confirm you've ticked the correct person so that you don't accidentally send an invite to the wrong team member. If you're managing a group of new hires, you can select multiple people, but sending one at a time gives you a clear audit trail. With the employee selected, choose Invite to Xero Me. In many accounts, this option appears above the list once a checkbox is ticked. Clicking it sends an email invitation to the address saved on the employee's profile. If they've been invited before, using this same action resends a fresh invite, which is perfect if the original expired or got lost. You may see a brief confirmation message, simply confirm to proceed. That's it. The invite is on its way. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Let your employee know to watch their inbox and check junk or spam folders just in case. The invite link has a time limit, so ask them to accept it promptly. If they still don't receive it, verify that their email on the employee record is correct and active. Then repeat the same steps to send it again. Finally, for security, never share invites or personal links over unofficial channels. You've now seen exactly how to resend an invite to Xero Me from payroll, making sure your team can access payslips and personal details without delay.